Tornado warning! Not for us. It's probably for St. Louis's forecast area. Hold on.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for central Montgomery County.
First EAS
until
on this thing.
7:30 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Witt, moving east at 15 miles
Witt,
an hour.
never heard of that.
Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Surprised we didn't get to watch it.
Attacks are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Montgomery County, including the following locations: Coleman and Winona.
Thought this thing had EOM detection.
At 6 p.m. in Springfield.
At least we didn't get anything.